Hello friends, welcome back to Truth in Time. Look up at the night sky for just a moment. The stars, the moon, the endless blackness, it feels calm, even peaceful. But what if I told you that beyond that calm, there is a storm, a violency of invisible radiation, high-energy particles, and cosmic forces so powerful they could strip Earth bare? And yet, we're still here? The reason? A silent protector that most people never even think about. The Earth's magnetic field, the invisible guardian. Picture Earth like a spaceship hurtling through the void. Every spaceship needs a shield, and our planet has one built-in. This shield isn't metal, and it isn't visible. It's a magnetic cocoon surrounding Earth in all directions. But where does this force come from? To understand that, we need to journey deep beneath our feet, the heart of the Earth far below the crust. Past the mantle lies the core, at the center. A solid ball of iron and nickel. Surrounding it, a swirling ocean of molten metal. Hotter than the surface of the sun. This restless movement of liquid iron creates electric currents, and those currents generate a magnetic field. Scientists call this the Dynamo. And it's been running non-stop for billions of years. Without this underground engine, Earth would be just another barren rock. The danger from the sun now. Let's turn our eyes to the sun. It gives us light, warmth, and life. But it's also dangerous. The sun constantly spews a stream of charged particles, the solar wind, blazing across space at over 1 million miles per hour. These particles crash against any planet in their way, on worlds without magnetic shields. The solar wind strips away atmospheres. That's exactly what happened to Mars once. Mars may have had rivers, lakes, even oceans. But with no strong magnetic field, the sun slowly tore its atmosphere apart, leaving behind a frozen desert. Earth escaped that fate because of its invisible shield. How the shield works: when the solar wind slams into Earth, the magnetic field pushes back. It bends and stretches, forcing the storm around our planet like water flowing around a rock. Most harmful radiation never gets close to the surface, but at the poles, where the field lines dip inward, some particles slip through. They collide with oxygen and nitrogen in our atmosphere, releasing colors of green, red, and purple. The result? The aurora borealis in the north and aurora australis in the south. A breathtaking reminder that Earth is constantly under attack and constantly defended. Without the shield, now imagine if that shield wasn't there. The air you breathe, gone. The oceans? Evaporated into space. The surface? Bathed in deadly radiation. Life as we know it could never survive. We owe our very existence to the magnetic field, and yet this shield is not unshakable. A field in flux. Scientists have discovered that Earth's magnetic field is always changing. It drifts. It weakens. Sometimes it even flips entirely, north becoming south, and south becoming north. These reversals have happened many times in history, roughly every few 100,000 years. During the switch, the shield doesn't vanish, but it grows weaker and chaotic, opening gaps for radiation to seep through. The last full reversal happened about 780,000 years ago. Are we due for another? Some scientists say yes. In fact, Earth's field has been weakening for the past 2 centuries. What a weak field means. So what happens if the shield weakens too much? Satellites could malfunction. GPS might fail. Power grids could collapse under the strain of solar storms. Astronauts in orbit would face dangerous radiation. Even airplanes flying over the poles could be affected. On the ground, we would still be protected by Earth's atmosphere. But the risks to our technology-driven world are enormous. Earth vs. the cosmos. And it's not just the sun. The magnetic field also shields us from cosmic rays. High-energy particles launch from exploding stars far away. These cosmic bullets carry so much energy they can pass straight through the human body, damaging cells and DNA. Without our magnetic shield, Earth would be constantly bombarded. It would be like living without sunscreen under the harshest sun every day, forever. Auroras, beauty and warning. The aurora is more than just beauty in the sky. It's a sign of battle. Every wave of light, every ripple of green, is Earth's shield deflecting an attack. And sometimes the auroras become storms themselves. In 1859, during what scientists call the Carrington event, a massive solar flare struck Earth. Telegraph lines caught fire. Sparks shocked operators. And auroras glowed as far south as the Caribbean. If something like that happened today, satellites, internet cables, power grids, all could be at risk. The connection to life itself. Some scientists believe that without the magnetic field, life might never have started here at all. It kept Earth's oceans safe, allowing the first cells to evolve. It kept the atmosphere intact, creating a climate where plants, animals, and eventually humans could thrive in many ways. Earth's magnetic field is the most important force you'll never see, a mystery still unsolved. And yet, we don't fully understand it. Why does the field flip? Why is it weakening now? Will it grow stronger again? The truth is, Earth is still teaching us. Every measurement, every observation adds one more clue to the puzzle. The unsung hero, so the next time you look up at the night sky, think about what you can't see. Beyond the stars, beyond the dark, there's an invisible shield standing guard. It never rests, it never sleeps, and it may be the one reason why Earth is alive, while so many other worlds remain silent. The Earth's magnetic field, invisible, untouchable, yet absolutely vital. It is proof that sometimes the greatest protectors are the ones we never even notice. Without it, there would be no oceans, no forests, no cities, no you. So yes, the Earth has a shield, and it's been protecting you every second of your life.